This is Earth. And these are beautiful plants on Earth. And these are beautiful plants on Earth in a polluted city. But I think we can all agree that they look better here. Meet Bob. Bob is a human. He is a very happy human. He is also responsible for part of the pollution of Earth. But it's not just Bob, it's everybody. And they've all contributed to the amount of trash and pollution on Earth today. And they keep contributing, and keep contributing. And if everybody keeps contributing to the amount of pollution and trash on Earth, Earth will eventually look like this. But if we all work together, we can help to clean Earth back up. We'll never be able to clean up all the trash and pollution on Earth, but we can at least clean up what we can, so we can get Earth looking like this again. And remember, this conservation effort can start with you picking up a piece of trash when you see one, and putting it in a trash can. You can also always help by recycling. And the more people who know about this, the more we can work together. So go tell a friend or family member about what you've learned today. And remember, Earth is the only place we have to live, so we have to take care of it.